Crossway Industry.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here is Crossway Industry Fiber Laser Machine Exhibition Room. We are a direct factory from China. We can be supplying to all world customer with wholesale prices. Our company has also joined on Alibaba. We can make the safety business between buyer with us. Now you can see how does the machine works. This machine connect computer software by USB. You can design any letter, logo, image on the machine software, so that pick computer software output, and the machine will automatic to engraving to all metal, and plastic, phone case.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.